Sa Santorini, Greece. Sa service guys. Ato ta dito. Ang mga balay nasa ibabaw. Masaka ta dito guys. Gamit ng cable car. Morning entrance guys sa cable car. Linya. Ala, parating na.
Day off?
No, night duty.
What?
Night duty.
Oh, night duty.
Oh, yeah. I have time to come out now.
Good. You like working there?
Yes, of course. Some people not like because it's hard for them to work very plenty work, like hard time for them. But for me, I'm just that is my level because
Okay.
I come poor family.
Yeah.
Just take the video. Yeah, this is the cable car. Yes. Oh, that's your friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can see him everywhere around here.
You're finished now. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Una na nga among cable car guys. Yeah, dagmay gayong tanaw no. Usa ka sulod na unom ka buok. Ang usa na ang sulod unom ka buok. Yeah. Tanaw guys. Doon na sila, doon na sila, doon na sila. Murag sakyanan po. Sila ka po guys. Ako na isulod sa cable car. Karon, oy! Putang ina ka! Ayot ka, Chris!